Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so problem 10 is really asking us to distinguish the difference between the nephrons in the kidney. So if we sort of let above the line be our cortex, and below the line be the medulla, right? And then we have these two kinds of nephrons, right? So we have one, and they're sort of got a lot going on, lots of tubes of some sort, okay, and you have some the agglomerus there, and then in the other kind, it's going to have the same thing. It's going to have agglomerus, but the length of this loop that comes down here is the distinguishing characteristic, okay? So in our cortical nephron, it's barely dips into the medulla, whereas in the juxtamedullary nephron, it's much longer, and that's what distinguishes the two, is the length of the loop of Henle. So it's the juxtamedullary. It's a mouthful, and in this loop here, this is our loop of Henle, okay? And so the reason for this increased loop, right, is this, as urine is sort of traveling through, well, it's getting this much more time for absorption, whereas in here it's going to have a shorter amount of time for absorption, right? So this allows the regulation of urine concentration of waste products that go into it to have some more control over that, more time with that, right? So this impacts our urine concentration, which I'm just going to abbreviate as CONC, or CONC. Okay, and so then we can see that the letter choice we want for problem 10 is A.